Hello, to begin this video, I'm going to state that the physics that we learn in school is generally taught in the metric system. So I'm going to follow that along teaching these videos. The metric system is uses the units of meters, liters, and grams, for those of you who don't know, which is not like the imperial system, which uses units such as miles, gallons, and pounds. The metric system is generally used when teaching physics because the metric system has better conversions, such as they only have multiples of 10. So with that stated, let's begin into the actual content part of the video. So in physics, there's a big concept that we use in basically everyday life and in physics class, like every time you go there, is dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is just multiplying and dividing numbers, but you have units. So it's really not that bad. It might seem intimidating, but it really isn't. I'll show you an example of dimensional analysis. Villager? I'm taking your job for that. Yeah, you're jobless. You know what? No more door. Yeah. I know it's taking a while. Okay. So let me just craft the basic tools. Okay. So we could use dimensional analysis in these hay bales. So we could say that 1 hay bale is equal to 9 wheat, which is dimensional analysis, because we could say 1 hay bale over times 9 wheat over 1 hay bale is equal to 9 wheat, which then we could also use with bread, because 3 wheat is equal to 1 bread. So we could say 3 wheat times 1 bread over 3 wheat is equal to 1 bread. Or we could say 1 wheat times bread over 3 wheat is equal to 1/3 of a bread. And then we could use larger numbers, such as this one. We have 63 wheat times 1 bread over 3 wheat. We get 21 wheat. That's a very simple example of it. Video, I talk about dimensional analysis, but I don't feel like I show how to set it up properly, so I'm just gonna show quickly how to set it up and give an example of it. So when setting it up, we have some number of like units. So like let's say 60 feet, and then we put that over 1 or 1 of some other units, or sometimes if it's more complex of a problem, there's like different numbers, but I'm just gonna stick to 1 for now. And then these lines are the dimensional analysis setup lines. So this thing is a numerator denominator fraction, and then these lines are like separating these two things, these two different units and different fractions, but you multiply across the top and multiply across the bottom. So with, let's say, 60 feet, and then over here we would put, and let's say we want to convert to yards. So we have y of different units. So the different units have to be equivalent of these units. So we can say 1 yard is 3 feet. So we have 60 feet times 1 yards over 3 feet. So we would cross out the feet because it's both in the numerator and the denominator. And then we're left with 60 times 1 yard over 3, which would then be 20 yards. Another example of this, and these things could also be referred to railroad tracks when other people teach it, but I just like to refer to these as like dimensional analysis setups or just something like that. There's other examples such as using these logs. We can say that 1 wood oak log is equal to 4 planks, which 1 oak log times 4 planks over 1 log is equal to 4 planks. And then we could also use the 4 planks that I just had, and 4 planks times 1 crafting table over 4 planks is equal to a crafting table. I don't need 3 crafting tables, so come back here. Villager, please give enough iron, or I need to restart this recording, which is gonna be great because I haven't messed up many times already. No. I want this wood. Hey, I don't need to restart this recording. We now have that. Lava. Thanks. Better food. That sheep. Roasted bacon. Not again. Of fire and water. Okay. Another place that we use dimensional analysis is when making another portal, or when speedrunners make another portal. More specifically, speedrunners don't go mining for all the diamonds for a diamond pickaxe. I've messed up twice. No. 3. No. Stop being bad right now. They don't go mining for all the diamonds to get a diamond pickaxe. Except they use they use a lava pool and some water. We can say 1 lava source block is equal to 1 obsidian if mixed with water. So with that, we can say 1 lava source block is equal to 1 obsidian, and that's a conversion factor that we can use when doing dimensional analysis. And then here we go into the nether. Okay, now that we're in the nether and we're in the 1.16 or above update, we want to get netherite for all our armor and tools. And we know that's a child. And we know that 4 ancient debris is equal to 1 netherite ingot plus some gold, but gold isn't that rare. There's some. I just mined some. It's not that rare. So we can say that 4 ancient debris is equal to 1 netherite ingot. That's pretty simple. Blocks. Okay. Let's go down and try and get some ancient debris. But wait, but how many do we need? We know that we have nine pieces that we need to make netherite because we have 4 armor and 5 tools, and especially the hoe. We need Senior's dedication. That achievement. Okay. And with that, we need to get, since we know that oh god, lava. We know that we need to get nine nether ingots, but how many ancient debris is that? Well, we know, since we know that we need 4 ancient debris for 1 nether ingot, we can say that 1 netherite ingot is equal to 1 netherite, 1 ancient debris is equal to 1 nether ingot. 1 ancient debris is equal to 4 nether ingots, or no, 4 ancient debris is equal to 1 nether ingot, or 1 ancient debris is equal to, or 1 nether ingot is equal to 4 ancient debris, which we can then calculate. Then we can then use to calculate how many ancient debris we need, since what do you call it? Since conversion factors are just ratios, we can say that we can say that 4 ancient debris is equal to 1 nether ingot, or 1 ancient debris is equal to 4, or 1 nether ingot is equal to 4 ancient debris, which is the same thing because they're a ratio. With that, we know that that's a lot of lava. With that, we know that we need 9 nether ingots. So we can say that 1 nether ingot is equal to 4 ancient debris, which, since we need 9 of that, we can do 9 nether ingots is equal to 4 ancient debris over 1 netherite ingot, which 9 times 4 is equal to 36, and then the ancient debris in the denominator cancel out. It sounds confusing, but I'll create something on the screen to make it seem less confusing, or how to set it up so that it seems less confusing. With that, we can now go and find 36 netherite, or 36 ancient debris. So we can get 9 netherite ingots. How many do I need? I need 24. Ancient debris 24. 9 times 4 is 30. 9 times 4 is 9. 36, yes. I have 12. Oh my. Oh my god, guys, look. Is that 24? 24 ancient debris? Oh my god, I'm surprised. I didn't spawn that in. I don't know what everyone's going to be talking about. This is all natural. Have you not heard of the 24 vein of ancient debris? It's my favorite vein. It's like very, very rare. Yes. Because it exists. You should definitely go looking for it. Yup. Time to head back. To go straight. Oh my god, I'm blind. Shut up. I'm not an idiot, you're an idiot, yeah. I don't want to talk about it. I am not blind. Trust me, guys. I am not blind. Me blind, never. Sorry to all the blind people watching this video. Because blind people can watch this video. Yep. Oh god, that was very offensive. I should have done that. Will I hit the roof? That will hit the roof. Ow. Will this hit the roof? That does hit the roof. I don't want to die, so just do that. Yes. Home sweet home. By home, I'm out of the nether. Okay, now that we're back from the nether, let's just, what's that door? Is that a lilac of the valley? Oh, lily of the valley is what I said. Skeleton? No. Let's go through the door, I guess.